Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 3 and the subject is science. In the previous video we already have discussed about some internal organs such as brain, liver, kidney, etc. Today we are going to discuss our respiratory system. So today's topic is respiratory system, nose, windpipe, lungs, and some questions and answers. Okay, let's move to our first topic, that is our respiratory system. This is our human body, and this is our nose. Yes, this is our throat. Okay, this is our windpipe. Yes, and this is our lungs. Okay, what is respiratory system? Respiratory systems that deals with breathing. Respiratory system deals with breathing. It is the group of organs in our body that help us to breathe in and out. Clear? The respiratory system comprises of nose, throat, windpipe, and lungs. Clear? This system supplies oxygen. This system supplies oxygen. This system supplies oxygen to our body and removes carbon dioxide from it. Okay, this is our main role. This is main role of respiratory system. This system supplies oxygen to our body and removes carbon dioxide from it. Besides helping breathing and breathe out, it has two different role. First one, allows us to smell and to talk. And another thing is protects our airways protects our airways from harmful substances and irritants. Clear? It allows us to smell and to talk and protects our airways from harmful substances and irritants. Now we will going to discuss the main organs of our respiratory system. The first one is our nose. Okay, nose. Yes, we breathe in and breathe out air through our nose. you know very well. We breathe in, that is breathe in and breathe out through our nose. The process of breathing in air is called inhalation. The term is inhalation. Inhalation means process of breathing process of breathing in air. Okay, and another term is exhalation. Exhalation, that means process of breathing out air. Clear? Process of breathing out air is called in exhalation. You know, you have two holes in your nose. That holes are called nostrils. You know, nostrils. Nostrils. Nostrils are two holes of our nose. You know, here is a hole and another part is a hole. You know, our nose consists of fine hair and a sticky material called mucus. Mucus, sticky material inside our nose. Okay, and our nose consists of fine hair also. The hair and mucus trap dust particles and germs into the lungs. You know, the hair main role of hair and mucus, the main role of hair and mucus trap dust particles and germs, germs into the lungs. Clear? So what is germs? What is germs? Yes, germ germ is very small living thing that we can't see with our free eyes. Germ is very small living thing that we can't see with our free eyes. It can cause various infections and disease. Okay, it cause various infections and disease. Four major types of germs. Four major types. Four major types of germs. Germs. Four major types of germs are: first one is bacteria, second one is virus, third one is fungi or fungus, and four is protozoa. Clear? You know about the virus, and also you have heard the virus name coronavirus. The virus. Okay, now we are going to discuss the another organ. They are all internal organs, we can't see from outside, so that's why they are internal organ. So now we are going to discuss the windpipe. Okay, windpipe. you know in this picture, it is windpipe. This is our windpipe. or you can say trachea, or you can say trachea. Okay, so what is windpipe? It is an air passage in the body. It is an air passage, you know. It is an air passage in the body that carries air from the nose. The air coming from the nose. Coming from the nose. The air. Which air? Fresh air. Name O2. O2 means oxygen. You know? Oxygen. Oxygen coming from the nose and goes down in this way. Which way? It's called trachea or windpipe. So it is an air passage in the body that carries air from the nose to the lungs. It is connected to the lungs. You know, this air going to the air is going to our lungs. Windpipe also called trachea. You know, windpipe also called trachea. Now coming to next and vital internal organ. It plays vital role in respiratory system. Okay, so this is our lungs. So this and this. So you have two lungs. Two lungs means one pair of lungs. One pair of lung. Okay, lungs. You know, this is our lungs, and this is left side, left lung, and this is our right lung. We have pair of lungs located in the chest cavity. You know, here is a chest cavity. Inside the chest cavity, you know the chest cavity. So the pair of lungs located in the chest cavity. Okay, these are the spongy bag like structures protected by the rib cage. You know, lungs spongy bag like structures protected by rib cage. Okay, protected by rib cage. The absorb oxygen from inhaled air and so the absorbed oxygen from the inhaled air they absorb oxygen from the inhaled air and remove carbon dioxide through exhaled air. Okay, so our lungs main role is they absorb oxygen from the inhaled air and remove carbon dioxide through exhaled air. So okay, so this is our lungs work. Here is some question that did you know that the left lung of a human body is slightly smaller than the right lung? Yes, the left lung of a human body is slightly smaller than right lung. But why? Because it shares space with the heart. It shares space with the heart. That's why left lung is slightly smaller than the right lung. Clear? Okay. Now I'm coming to the some questions and answers. So you know, the first question is the lungs are how many airbags in our chest? Two. The process of taking the air inside the lungs is called inhalation. When we breathe in, air enters the body through our nose. Yes. And the fourth question is, the process of pushing air out of lungs is called exhalation. Okay. And the fifth question and the last question, breathing is a part of respiratory system. Respiratory system. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please follow this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Keep learning.